Hi, and welcome back to another edition of One Meal a Day Modified. So yes, what am I having for Easter dinner? I am having roasted lamb. We actually put this out over an open fire, so I can't wait to chomp into that. As well as potato salad. Yes, everything is homemade on this plate. And what I did is to get more protein and less carbohydrate. I just added a little more egg and definitely added less of the potato. As well as, of course, in my potato salad, there's a lot of specially cool ingredients. So if you want to know how it's made, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so that you can go to my other YouTube page and see how I make it. It's really easy, but it is so good and people love it. Also, I'm going to have a few fizzy bubbles by having some sparkling water. This is the orange flavored one. And of course, dessert is, Easter isn't Easter without some coconut cake. So I have a nice little piece of coconut cake there. Not even that much, which is surprising to me because I really love coconut cake. But I have to try to cut down somewhere, so that's where I'm doing it because I have to eat this entire meal today. And then what the red sauce is a habanero mango sauce that I got from a store in Boston called the Pepper Palace. It is, hot for some people. You know how I like to eat my raw hot pepper. This cost $11.95 plus tax. I don't know how many Scoville units this has. They should put that on the bottle, I think. I think it would just make it more interesting if they did, but they didn't. But I remember the lady telling me it was a lot. It's not on the bottle. But hey, I love hot food. They were mesmerized, surprised that I was able to take in their, I think it was the second or third to the hottest sauce that they have, and I wasn't on the floor withering or anything like that. They have, I want to say, 2 sauces that were hotter than what I tried, and being out in the world and a couple 100 miles away from home, I decided not to try them. But anyway, I won't go into those details, but please have a great Easter if you celebrate. We don't really celebrate many holidays. Really, it's Christmas, New Year's, our birthdays, which we used to not celebrate, but after we had a child, we definitely decided to celebrate those. But Easter is a good day for, I guess, people at least to get together with their families. Some of you had a 3-day weekend. If you had Good Friday off, I hope that you enjoyed that and drive safely out there. But regardless, take care and remember that health is wealth.